Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make wax candy melts with real jelly inside. I do want to state though that these are not edible, even though they do look tasty. A few things you will need are a silicone mold. I chose some fruity shapes. I picked up some jelly. You can also try other things, even chocolate. A spoon, and wax, which I have already prepared and melted. You want to start by filling up about 75% of your mold. You're going to want to leave it for a few minutes and let it solidify a bit. And then you will pour it back into the melting pot. The idea behind this is you are just creating the outside shell of the wax melt so you can fill it up with jelly. You are going to want to repeat this process 3 or 4 times to create a nice shell. I already prepared a wax melt shell. Now it's time to get your jelly and your spoon and start to scoop the jelly into the mold. Once that's done, you can grab your melting pot again and fill up the rest of the mold. Once that's fully dried, you can pop them out of your mold, and voila, you now have your very own candy wax melts filled with jelly. This one I filled with a strawberry jelly to match the strawberry mold. It's a lot of fun to break them open and see your center drip out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.